Alright, heading up Quandary this morning. It's just about 3 in the morning, which means most of this will be a night hike. Yo dear. Alright, just over 2 miles in after about an hour, so I'm feeling pretty good with that. Maybe about a half mile left. I'm at about an hour and a half in. What are you saying? Is this it? Is this the summit? I've been burned before. Oh, there it is. Woo! Summit in the dark. And that is the summit of Quandary. Took me from 2:45 to 5:01. Whew. Alright, been up here for maybe 15 minutes, but we're definitely getting more snow, so it is time to head down. So let's roll. I'm making my way down. Windy, cloudy, but man, this is nice. There it is, Quandary Peak. Just over 4.5 hours. Yeah.